In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print receipt for direct deposit payment to contractor in. If you've paid a contractor by direct deposit and need a clean professional receipt for your records or to share with them, I'll walk you through the exact path to find it and print it from your accounting dashboard. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know how to get a printable copy or a PDF you can save. First, head to the left-hand navigation menu and open the sales area. This is the hub for customer-facing transactions and documents. Once you're there, choose All Sales. Think of All Sales as the master list that brings everything together in one place, so you can quickly spot what you need without jumping between sections. Next, narrow the view to just the type of document we want. Use the filter to show sales receipts. Filtering down like this helps you avoid scrolling through invoices, estimates, or other entries and lets you focus only on receipts. When the list updates, locate the specific receipt you want to print and click it to open. Opening the receipt ensures you can preview all the details, such as date, amount, and description, so you know you've got the right one before you send it to the printer. With the receipt open, choose Print or Preview. This option lets you see exactly how the receipt will look on paper. From the preview window, select Print to send it straight to your printer. If you'd rather keep a digital copy, maybe for email, secure storage, or to attach to a message, download it as a PDF first, then print from the PDF viewer when you're ready. Saving a PDF is a great way to keep a consistent, uneditable file with the correct formatting. Before you confirm, take a quick look at the preview for essentials like the total, payment method, and any reference fields. If your printer margins or scaling ever make the layout look off, use the print dialog settings to adjust size to fit or set the correct page orientation. When saving a PDF, consider using a clear file name that includes the contractor's name, the date, and the amount, so you can find it easily later. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales, open All Sales, filter by sales receipts, select the receipt you need, then print or download as a PDF. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean printable record of a direct deposit payment to a contractor. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see those clicks again.